Gavin's video about how tornadoes are made.
A 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3. Let's talk about tornadoes being formed. Okay, here it goes. There's a thing called a supercell is a kind of storm. Then it makes a thing called Falco, I think. I don't know what that is. I just call it that for now. Then and it's not touching the ground, and it touches the ground, and that makes a tornado.
Does it go faster and faster?
It goes faster and faster, then forms a tornado.
Wow. And how big can they get?
It can get so huge. They can even reach above the cloud.
No way. That's crazy. Is there anything else you want to tell us about tornadoes?
That's how tornadoes get formed.
Oh, okay.
I just talked about that, so we'll see you next time.